If you want to embed a presentation on your computer, it is impossible to do it directly from here. You have to first upload it on your Google Drive. So make sure that you go on Google Drive, open a folder and fix it there. I'm going to take you on a trip of my Google Drive. It might be a little bit messy, so we're going to create a new folder for this one. I'm going to make a new folder and call it Sites. So now I have my own folder. Here I can upload, I can add from here a presentation that I have used before. So two things, I'm adding Excel sheet and presentation. Opening it. Now you would see that they uploaded over here, and now it is easy for me to embed them. But still, if I embed them and I publish, I'm not sure if it's going to show for others because the privacy settings are not set up yet. So you need to make sure that to first right-click on the object or the presentation or the Excel, click on Get Link. When you do that, you make sure that it's not restricted. When this is like that, it will not show to others. You have to change this to anyone with the link, and then make sure it's viewer, not edit, because people will be editing this way. So you can also choose commenters so that the people would comment for you. Once you do that, and you could copy the link, or you could actually just click done. The same thing applies to this one. Now I go to my website. I'm going to delete this. So when you click on one, you could delete it. You could actually move with the arrows in your keyboard the items, and you can now expand them a little bit like that. Now I'm going to add from my Google Drive. It's already there, it's shared, so I have no worries about it. When I go to the folder that I created, which is Sites, choose this one here,